Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 2 of my furnace died video. Today is Friday morning. Wednesday was the last video when I was rigging it up with a power cord so that I could plug it into an outlet and have it turn on whenever it was plugged in. What I used was this timer. It's an appliance timer, and you can set it however you want. These pins go up and down, and when it's down it turns on, when it's up it turns off. So yesterday what I was doing was I'd let it run for half an hour or half hour each. Turn off for an hour, run for half hour, off for an hour. I did that all day. Worked fine. It did get a little warmer in here than I wanted, but that's okay. It wasn't cold in here. Then when I went to sleep, I just turned a bunch of these off, so it would only come on once or twice during the night. That worked good. That got me through to today. Morning, I bought this thing. Well, I actually bought it Wednesday. It came yet today. Digiten digital remote switch. It's supposed to have a 100-foot range. It has a control box that you plug into an outlet like this. Outlet right here, so I can plug this in there. And it has a button where you can turn it on manually. A little green light comes on when it's on. Or you set it remotely with a thermostat. Thermostat transmitter has a little stand where you can stand it up on something, or you can fold that up and mount it to a wall. It gives you the wall mounting plate. Screw this to the wall, and that just clips onto the plate. I think I'm just going to be setting it upstairs on my coffee table for now. Another thing I bought Wednesday was some carbon monoxide detectors. Got down here, one for upstairs. I can use one in the garage too, so that'll come in handy. The way this works is you just set the temperature you want the heat to come on at. Like right now it's 71.9 and I want the heat to come on, let's say 72. So I go up to 72. In fact, I gotta go a little higher because see it's 72.1, so I gotta go to 73. The furnace kicks on, and then this will handle my heating needs until I can get the control board and those low and high pressure switches. I don't know if they're going to be here tomorrow, which is Saturday or Monday, but this is going to work just fine until then. It's going to work better than the timer thing I had, because there was no real way to regulate temperature other than on and off, and I had to come down here and do it. This I can be lazy, lay on the couch, turn it up or down. So I'm going to give this a try. And with that being said, it's going to be the end of this short video, part 2, Dan's Messy Garage. My furnace died. Please stay tuned to my channel for updates on this project and more projects to come. Bye.